guys up for a super simple recipe? Me? Oh, I think I've given it away. It's involving Nutella, and it's 3 ingredient Nutella brownies. They are honestly a game changer. They're amazing. They're so simple to do. Obviously 3 ingredients, and for everyone wondering, in the UK, Nutella is gluten-free. It even actually says gluten-free on the back, but make sure you check wherever you are in the world. These just come together in like minutes, like seconds really, and then you just pop it in the oven, and the smell is great. Oh, it's so good. I mean, who doesn't like Nutella? I don't know. But yeah, they are so simple to make, really easy. They've been really popular, so I thought, why not just show you how to make them, even though they're the sort of thing that you don't even need to be shown how to make because they are literally that simple. But why not? I kind of want to eat them, so it seemed perfect to just film them. I will put a link to the recipe in the description below, but obviously you'll barely need it. But if you want reference or you prefer to read it, then watch me, or you want to do it at the same time, whatever, it's there for you. So yeah, I'm gonna need quite a lot of this thing, and this thing is quite big. It's almost as big as my head. Well, not quite, but you know what I mean. So yeah, I will show you the ingredients. It's gonna take 2 seconds because there are so few ingredients, and you will be shocked at how easy it is. I don't really know what else to say. I just want to start making them. So yeah, from me and Nutella, let's go on with the ingredients. So I told you it was really simple. 3 ingredients, literally. The main one, Nutella. You'll need quite a lot of it, so make sure you've got a big old tub like this. Then we've got 3 eggs and some gluten-free plain flour / all-purpose flour. Also, I'm gonna chuck into here some chocolate chips because I like to add them, but it's definitely not necessary if you want to keep it to 3 ingredients, but why not add 4? And then they're even better, I'd say. So that is all we're gonna need, and the method is so simple as well. So you'll have these Nutella brownies very shortly. Okay, so firstly, I've got a load of Nutella in a bowl. Now I like to just sort of mix this a bit so that it's loosened up, because sometimes it can be a bit stiff, especially if you're one of these people who keeps Nutella in the fridge, which I do not, but some people do. So just mix it so it's nice and smooth, and then we're just gonna add our eggs. So I'm gonna add 3 eggs, crack them in, and then I'm gonna mix them. You can do this by hand, or you can use your electric hand mixer. So that is all nicely mixed. Now I'm gonna add my flour, and I'm just gonna fold that in. So if you're not gonna add your chocolate chips, this is the brownie batter completely done, but I'm going to add chocolate chips. So I've got a few there, and then I'm just gonna fold them in like I did with the flour. And finally, I'm gonna spoon my mixture into my tin. So here's my tin. This is an 8-inch tin. Okay, so I'm just gonna make sure it's all spread out to the edges. Okay, so I spread the brownie mix all the way to the edges. I've taken the pegs off, and my final thing, which is not necessary at all, but I think is great, is to add a little bit more Nutella and just swirl it into the middle and stuff. And you just swirl it using some sort of skewer like this. So I'll do that now. Okay, so these are now ready to go into the oven, so I'm going to put them in the oven for about half an hour, maybe check at 25, but they could take a little bit longer as well, at 160 degrees C fan / 180 degrees C / 350 Fahrenheit, and then they will be delicious, yummy, gooey Nutella brownies that took no time to make, and so few ingredients as well. So I've just got these out the oven and they look absolutely amazing, and I'm just gonna let them completely cool before I do anything else. So if you've just enjoyed making my 3-ingredient gluten-free Nutella brownies, then click up here to make my slutty brownies and click up here to make my crunchy cheesecake. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!